Hi, welcome back. So today we're going to be going over factorials. And so let's just put in a hypothetical situation, right? So let's say you have 4 marbles. I know these aren't very even, but I mean, they don't even look like marbles, but 4 marbles, a red, a blue, a green, and a purple. And just for whatever reason, you want to know how many ways you can arrange these in a line. Like, just whatever reason. I don't really know why you'd want to do this, but I mean, okay. So there's the typical tree diagram, right? For the first one, you can have either a red or a blue or a green or a purple, right? Okay, so there's 4 choices for the first one. Okay, and then now that you've got that, you want to see the second one. Now the second one can't be red, right? Because you've already done red. So we're looking at just this first tree right here. Right there. So the second one could be either blue, green, or purple. So let's draw those in. Blue, green, and purple. Blue, green, and purple. Okay, so now you've got 2 marbles lined up, right? And for our final one, now if you're following this strand of the tree, this little branch here, you've already got 1 red lined up, you got 1 blue lined up. Now you're on the green one or the purple one. So the green or the purple. Right? Now let's go down to the second branch. If you're on the red, the green, so if it's first red, then second green, it can be either the blue or the purple. So it can be either the blue or the purple. Blue or the purple. And if you're on the branch with the red, the purple, then it can be either blue or green. So it can be either blue or green. So in this branch here that you've got right here, oops, let me make this into white. Okay, so for this branch right here, these are all the possible combinations you could have for a red branch, for a red one as your first marble. It could be red, blue, green, purple, red, blue, purple, green, red, green, blue, purple, red, green, purple, blue, red, purple, green, blue, and red, purple, blue, green. So in total, that's 6 ways, right? Remember, there's the branch here is 1, 2, 3, right? But I mean, the one that I never like drew out, but I stated that's the implied one, the one that's left over. Okay, so if there's 6 ways for the red branch, that means there's also got to be 6 ways for the blue branch. 6 ways for the blue branch. 6 ways for the green, and 6 ways for the purple. So each of these has 6 ways of being the first marble. So in total, there'd be 24 ways you could arrange your little marbles. Now let's say we wanted it faster, right? Well, let's just think about this mathematically. So you have 4 choices for your first one, right? Red, green, blue, green, or purple. Then multiplied by the next amount that you have remaining, right? You can have either so if you started with red, then you'd have either a blue, a green, or a purple. So 4 times 3 times. Now that you've got the first 2 down, right? You got 4 choices out of the way for the first one, then you had 3 choices for the next one. So you could have crossed out this and this, right? Now you've got 2 choices left. So 2 times 1, the last choice remaining. So this is also 24. So in math, we have a special term for this. It's called the factorial. And it's denoted like this. 4 factorial would be like how many ways you can arrange 4 things. So basically, if you want like a mathematical denotation of it, it would be like this. N factorial, where n is some integer, is equal to n times, times n minus 1 times n minus 2 all the way down to 1. So this would be for any number, but 0 factorial, 0 is an integer, is equal to 1. So the reasons for this are pretty intricate, but basically it's just mathematical denotation, and like we'll get into combinations later in a future video, but and I might explain why there, but don't worry about it for now. So basically, the factorial is the number of ways that you can arrange n ways. N factorial ways. There are n factorial ways of arranging n things. And remember, these things are different, right? They're not the same. In a future video, I will be going into how many ways you can arrange things that have the same things, like red, green, blue. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.